everybody, it's Courean from Vixen and my son Jeff, our family and Vixen mixologist. We are going to make you a very special drink tonight in honor of our general manager, Michelle. So Michelle introduced Jeff to this one delicious drink one evening. Very sweet, like dessert drink, but Jeff put a couple of twists on it. It's called a French Martini.
So you're going to start off with a shaker tin full of ice. Ta-da. And 2 ounces of vanilla vodka. The OG recipe calls for regular vodka. That's boring. So, 2 ounces of that. We're going to do a 1/4 ounce of raspberry liqueur, like a Chambord or its better cousin. Don't ask me to pronounce this, I won't.
It's down at Total Wine. There's a guy that works down there also named Jeff. And when we were gonna go buy a Chambord, he suggested that we try this. He said it was lighter and brighter and would make a better cocktail, especially mixed with that vanilla.
So 1/4 ounce of that, and then we are going to use 1 3/4 ounces of pineapple juice.
So then that almost becomes equal.
And then we are going to add 2 dashes of a saline solution to this. 1.
Can you quickly tell us how you make the saline solution?
It's an 80-20. Mix salt, mix water.
So which is 80?
80% water, 20% your excess tears. And then we are going to shake this.
Making it really frothy because it's got pineapple juice in it. And then we have a glass filled with
excuse.
ice.
All right.
We sell these pretty, they're pink. You can see them, they've got a gold rim. What we're putting in there is also kind of pink.
Double strain into your coupe. You're gonna get all that froth from the pineapple, kind of like you're shaking with an egg white.
Yeah.
And we are double straining to get all the ice chips out. Don't want to waste it. Give it a little knock, get all the fluid out of there. All right, and then we are going to give it 2 spritzes of an Angostura bitters.
Angostura bitters is made from a bunch of different herbs and then distilled.
If you got a minute, check out its Wikipedia page. Its history is interesting. Enjoy.
Cheers.